Hello students, this is the part 3 video for the basicity of amines. Now let us compare arylamines versus ammonia. Arylamines, the simplest arylamine is our aniline molecule. Arylamines and ammonia. Now the lone pair in arylamines in nitrogen atom in arylamines, the lone pair is very busy in resonance. It is very busy in resonance, and therefore it is not available for donation, and therefore arylamines is less basic. Since the BKB value is very high, therefore arylamines will be even more lesser basic than that of ammonia, and then we know that ammonia is lesser basic than that of alkylamines. Now, why is this ammonia aniline less? Now let us consider aniline less basic. It's because the lone pair of atoms, the lone pair of electrons is not available for donation, as it is used up in the resonance of the aniline molecule. Therefore, it is less basic as compared to ammonia, and ammonia is also less basic as compared to that of alkylamines. Now, in page number 399 of your textbook, page number 399 of your textbook, we have five resonating structures for aniline. The five resonating structures here we have here aniline. The lone pair comes here, then this pi bond breaks and then goes up here. Therefore, this will become double bond, NH plus, negative sign. This goes here, and then this again comes here. By the time this here will be about negative sign, now this minus comes and it joins here, and then this pi bond breaks up, goes up here, and then we have here the next resonating structure. Since there's a bond for a negative sign would be here. Now this would go here, and then this pi bond goes back to the nitrogen molecule, and therefore we would have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 resonating structures in aniline molecule. Now, aniline molecule, we know that more resonating structures means more stable is the common. Now, for anilinium ion is formed when it accepts a proton. Anilinium ion has only 2 resonating structures. Anilinium ion has only 2 resonating structures. Therefore, comparing aniline and anilinium ion, aniline would be more basic than that of anilinium ion. Now, let us check the basic. Now, here is a question. Now, CnH3, C6H5 is your benzene. This is aniline, C6H5NH2, C2H5, 2NH. This is your alkylamine, C2H5. NH. Now we know that comparing alkylamines, ammonia, and aniline molecule, aniline is less basic, and then would come ammonia. Now the question comes here: which of the two would be less basic? Now we know that secondary alkylamine is more basic than that of the primary amines. Therefore, we know that the primary amine is less basic than that of the secondary amine. Therefore, the primary amine would be less basic, and then the more basic one would be our secondary amines. This is a secondary amine, this is a primary, this is ammonia molecule, and this is our aniline. Therefore, the order of the basicity would be this. Now, in case of substituted arylamines, electron releasing groups. Electron releasing groups such as this group, these are the electron releasing groups, like the plus I. In fact, they release the electron towards nitrogen atom, making the ability of the lone pairs for its donation. Therefore, they increase the basic strength. This increases the basic strength. However, the electron withdrawing groups such as NO2, SO3H, COOH, and the halogens, they decrease the basic strength because instead of releasing the electron towards the nitrogen atom, they withdraw the electron towards itself, making the electrons less available for donation. Therefore, such groups would decrease the basic strength. However, electron releasing groups as this would increase the basic strength.